Good morning. This is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden. I want to show you how I'm making my fresh elderberry and Schisandra echinacea syrup. I have it simmering in a pot of hot spring water. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you know one of the most powerful magical objects is the Elder Wand, which was fashioned from the wood in the Sambucus nigra shrub, native to the warmer regions of Europe and North America. Elderberries may not be magical, but they have long been applied to swelling and wounds and influenza. And they have more than been treating for cold and flu symptoms. The delicious purple berries are enjoyed in jams, jellies, and they make a popular type of wine. This is what they look like in a picture. Very delicious, very sweet. In the fall, elderberries turn a deep purple, showcasing their high concentrations of antioxidants, flavonoids, and xanthiniums and quercins, all believed to account for the medicinal actions of this plant berry's flowers. European herbalists and American herbalists traditionally use elderberry for pain relief and to promote healing of injuries. They later learned from North American Aboriginal peoples that the plant was useful for infections, coughs, and other conditions too. Elderberry is one of the most powerful allies against influenza viruses, according to the Health of Canada and America. The flu affects between 10% and 25% of Americans and Canadians every year, usually between November and April, and sends 20,000 people to the hospital, killing roughly 4,000. The good news is the study confirmed that people receiving a daily dose of elderberry syrup or tincture recovered faster than those receiving a placebo. Additional uses include a laxative for constipation, a stimulant for general immune functions. Did you hear that? General immune functions. The elderberry is to be used prior to any illnesses. It is a preventive measure from getting any type of viruses, be it corona or other. It's good for constipation, stimulation for the immune function, treatment for chronic fatigue syndrome, allergic rhinitis, sinusitis, especially if anything from your nose to your throat to your lungs is affected, turn to these berries. Echinacea, which is an herb, elderberries, and Schisandra berries. I hope that you learned something from this. You can order this elderberry juice from Third Day Soaps Garden. We have some here. Let's see if I can find it for you. And my little herb thing here. This is our, I call it Dr. Feelgood's Herbal Cough, Cold, Allergy, and Flu Syrup that I make with elderberries, echinacea, and Schisandra berries. Excellent. You can find us on our website at etsy.com/shop Third Day Soaps Garden. You take a teaspoon by mouth 1 time per day, preferably in the morning. Deliciously drops of echinacea, lemon balm, elderberries, hibiscus, lemongrass, sage, peppermint. It's also helpful for relieving colds, cough, flu, and allergies. And I added the Schisandra berries as well. Please be well and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and our website at etsy.com/shop/Third Day Soaps Garden. Be blessed. Have a wonderful day.